What's the meaning of carbon paper? Carbon paper. Carbon paper.
Carbon paper. Carbon paper. Carbon paper is a thin sheet of paper coated with a layer of carbon or other dark pigment. When placed between two sheets of paper and pressure is applied to the top sheet, the carbon layer transfers impressions of the writing onto the bottom sheet, creating a copy. This was a commonly used method of making copies before the advent of photocopiers and digital printing. Carbon paper is still used today for certain applications, such as in legal documents where duplicate copies are required.